Now we're at finger picking. I want to talk first about how to hold your hand. Think about a thumbs up or perhaps holding a remote control. You can see your fingers are naturally curved and your thumb is extended. And instead of picking where you were strumming, bring your arm back. It's still supported by this part of the ukulele here, but it's back a little more because you're going to start picking where the fretboard ends and the sound hole starts. Place your thumb extended and that is going to pick down. Then place your index on string 3, your middle on string 2 and your ring finger on string 1. And let's pick them all together. It's like a pinch. You don't want to lift them up too high. Now we're going to pick down the strings individually. Pick down the thumb, just try it on its own a few times, and hold the other fingers on the strings. Now let's take the index finger and pick that up, and then the middle, and then the ring. Let's call this position home. Start on string 4, picking down with your thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. Place them back on home and start again. And the count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if you can get that rhythmical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you get the finger picking rhythmical, start to add your chords. So you can start to add your C chord. And the A minor chord. Now add the second string, first fret for an F, then back to the C. If you've made it through all 6 videos, congratulations, you're officially dangerous. Go forth and annoy your household with all your new skills. More fun coming up.
From Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to Tacoma, Philadelphia,